Here's the hook. GoofCord pitches itself as a privacy-minded standalone Discord client, with telemetry blocking and even message encryption layered on top. I started by cloning the repo and checking the stack. This is an Electron app written in TypeScript, and the build tooling is centered around bun rather than npm or pnpm. The first practical blocker was simple but important. The documented setup path couldn't run at all until bun was installed. So before any review, I had to get the actual toolchain into place. After installing bun 1.3.14, the good news is the repo did build. Bun install worked, bun run build worked, and the dev build completed too, which is a solid sign the project is in reasonably runnable shape. Launching the Electron app was only a partial success in this environment. It got far enough to start up, download assets, and create a settings window, but system-level Linux sandbox and desktop limitations stopped a full clean run. I also found multiple execute JavaScript paths built with interpolated strings. In practice, that means values like auth client IDs, redirect URIs, passwords, or config data can become script content if upstream inputs aren't tightly controlled. Another big risk is the remote asset pipeline. The app downloads JavaScript and CSS from outside sources and then executes the JS, but without integrity pinning, so trust shifts to the network and asset host.